channel, girl. If you're new here, my name is Ashton. I do lifestyle, beauty, and perfume content for the returning bestie. Hey girl, what's tea? So y'all know today is the first month of October, and you know what that means, girl. Time to decorate my room for fall / Halloween. So I would usually just do my room for like fall and like November, and then for like October do it like in November. I'm Christmas stuff. I was always like, let's just do half fall and have like Halloween theme, girl. So let's get into it. So girl, it's gonna be 2 parts, girl. So if you're not, make sure you liking, subscribing, and turn on post notifications, girl. First thing, girl, I got this like spooky street thing from like Five Below, girl, and it was only $5, girl. So you know I had to buy it because like, I love Halloween down, but I do love fall. But like Halloween comes first. So it says Spooky Street Haunted. It is me on TikTok. You know, I went fall shopping at Target. We found this Hello Pumpkin. So before I get into this, bestie, like mine says like I love pink, as y'all can tell, girl. For like Halloween and fall, girl, the colors are gonna be pink, orange, and white for like fall and like Halloween. So yeah, bestie. Then my favorite thing, girl, so as of right now, this is the blanket I got on. I got this for Christmas. It has like my little like name on it. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I found this cute like Halloween blanket at Target for only $10, girl, and I love it because it's like pumpkin. I just love like Halloween, bestie, so I cannot wait to put that out. Cute pink and blue pumpkin at Target for like $5, and then at Dollar Tree I found this like little poison thing, bestie. I am gonna do like some more shopping, girl. Fun fact, girl, I'm finna go into like our like storage closet and see if I have like any more, cause I am gonna buy like some new stuff. But I know I had bought some like Halloween lights from like last year, girl. If they're not there, I'll just go out and buy some more, girl. I'm actually very excited because like for like the month of October, girl, fall and have Halloween, girl. So I can't wait to get. Several minutes later, girl. I mean several minutes, girl. Let's get into it. So okay, so I'm gonna sort through this fall stuff, girl, and whatever I don't like, I'm gonna let my mama have, and I'm gonna go and buy like some new stuff. I'm probably gonna go to Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Five Below. The budget's gonna be like $100, hopefully, because like my room is not that big to like go all out yet. So here's the okay. So I do have like some fall stuff from last year. I remember buying these little like fall leaves from like Amazon for like $10. And then in this one we have like some more fall decor stuff, girl. And then I actually look what I found. Like I found 2 like Halloween candles from like last year, girl. This is Vampire Blood. I never get a chance to like use them. And like I have like a Halloween candle already. So I'm probably gonna give these to TT. Cause like my mama like more fall scents for like the house hunter, like my friend. She found like a pillow that from last year, cause I'm buying like all new like decor stuff. I'm gonna give that to her as well, bestie. So yeah, so we need to sort through this fall stuff, girl, and see what like we want. This fall stuff, girl, and then we'll see like what like we want and don't want, and I'm gonna sort it out through like my mom and like, my friends. So let's get to it. So we'll go through this first. Okay, so in this we have this like little like thing for like the hay. I thought I saw like I bought this thing of hay last year, and I'm praying I still have it, girl. So we're gonna keep that for this. And then I found this little sign. It says Leafly Size Crisp Air. I'm gonna use this as well. So we just start taking down like some of my like decor. So let's take these pink flowers down. What else we need to take down? Let's put these away. I don't have like some more flowers. We'll put this away, this away. What else? I found this Halloween tote bag I'm probably use because I love like Halloween. Okay, what else is in here? Oh, I found me a little like thingy. Probably use this to put some candy in here. I'm gonna I'm gonna wash this out real good and put some candy in here. What else is in here? Oh, that's old decor stuff. I found these little pumpkins. What's this? I'm gonna probably keep this pumpkin because it's brighter. Or should I just give it? Hey, I'm gonna let my mama have that. So I'm buying all new stuff. This is what we have now. So let's sort through these flowers. I'm probably gonna keep some. I'm not gonna keep all these flowers. I'm gonna keep some. So let's move these flowers. I have like a lot of flowers. Put that down there. Okay, now, y'all know I love my white pumpkins. So we're most definitely keeping like my white pumpkins. That look weird. What is this? I have another sign already. I bought this from Target last year. So we'll keep this white pumpkin. Oh, I see my hay. Okay, is this another white pumpkin? Yes, we're gonna keep all my white pumpkins. Y'all know I love my white. Since my fall theme this year is actually white, we're gonna be, what does this say? Hello fall. How do you use this side? Should we use this? We'll let my mama have that. Cause I don't want that or this. What's in here? We'll give this to like my friend TT. These, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these and put it on like my hay, cause I see my hay right there. Like, I don't know if y'all can see, but like my hay is right here. So I'm kind of scared to touch that because last year, girl, it literally made like me all stuffy. So I need to be careful. Oh, what's this? Autumn leaves and pumpkin leaves. Here we get all that to like my mama. What's this? Oh, pumpkin pie. Should we save this? I bought this last year. Then we're gonna save this sign and put it like, we'll save this sign. All this stuff my mama can have. Okay, let's sort through. Oh, yes, I bought these last year from like Target, girl, and I love these down. So most definitely keep it in. Oh, I found my Halloween lights. We're gonna put this here because since I'm back, I got my gloves. Like last year, girl, this hay meant like it made me itch so much. What is this? I'll keep this pumpkin. Should I keep this pumpkin? We'll give this to like my mama. I buy like some new stuff, besties, so we ain't gonna keep too much stuff. They can go in the trash can. They got like a little stain on. Now, this hay, I'm kind of scared because like it makes me mess. That's why I got my gloves on. But this stuff literally makes me. So we're gonna put my hay right here. Oh, this makes a mess. It makes a mess. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Okay, I found my lights. Let's see if this still works. If this works, we're good to go. If not, I can just buy some more because that's something cost like not that much, like $3. So. Oh, well, these do not work. So off the trash can it goes. Those will not work. So trash can. Now, what we're giving my friend, we're gonna give her a bag. We're gonna put we'll give a little like fall flower right here. So long pink, because like, I'm not gonna take like all flowers down, because like these was $20, but I'm gonna just put like a little like flower up there just for fall. But, you know, it is fall, and fall is like autumn leaves and stuff. So we're gonna put like a little flower like right here, just something cute, you know, that still screams like fallish. See, it's all about how you do your room. Now, last year, for like the besties who saw my room last year, y'all know I just had like all flowers down there, but like my like room thing is gonna be like pink, orange, and white, and just like like Halloween theme. So yeah, probably put like another flower here, maybe. It depends how it looks. I gotta kind of test it out first to see how it will look first. Let's see how this looks. Ooh. Okay, period. Okay, basically, how do y'all like that? I like it. I think it's cute. It's not too much. Dresser. We're gonna move that white flower and put that there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Cause like, y'all know last year I had like my fall leaves going on that side. So I am gonna keep my orange. I mean my pink comforter set. I was gonna buy like an orange one. I was like, since like my theme is gonna be pink and orange and white, we'll keep like some pink and stuff. So. Here's what we have so far. So I got my hay from like last year. I bought this from like Walmart last year, girl. I took these hay from Dollar Tree and a little stand. I don't know if y'all can see, and I put it inside the hay. This white pumpkin actually came from Target for like $3, girl. And then up here from Target last year. And these plants, I'll try to like link them. I bought these from like Amazon last year for like $20, girl. So I feel like it's so cute. Now here's how like my mirror look. I love these like flowers. I don't know how I feel about these up here yet. I don't know about that. I probably keep it. I don't get like too flowery. I like how like that is just like a little pumpkin leaf. And then right here, I need to fix this. We got my little like fall leaves hanging like right here. So that's how that look. Now, and then I'm gonna put, it's gonna be blurred out because that's my house stay at, but like I'm gonna put these pumpkin leaves right up there, besties. So put some of like my pink stuff down here, besties, the like leaves figure out. I don't want too like many like leaves in here. My mama, cause I don't want too like many leaves. Now, for right here, girl, I need to make sure I'm done with like everything. I'm gonna need to make sure I'm done with everything. So I don't know where I'm gonna put my like spooky thing at. I don't know if I'm gonna put it like, I don't know where I want to put that sign at yet, bestie. Now, for the actual decor thingy, poor yet, but this sign is gonna go right here. I need to move this out of the way because that's trash. This sign is gonna go right here where it says that at. I feel like it looks so cute right there. And then, so we got that right there, and then I gotta move this blanket and put that up and put these pillows down, so that'll be cute. And then I actually need to wash this thing out. I'm probably gonna keep this right here, just so it'll be like I keep like some like candy right there, so we got like half like Halloween and half like fall, so that's cute. Then, I don't know where I'm gonna put this sign at. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna put it like there. I don't know where I want to put this sign at, girl. Like, I really don't know. I was thinking maybe like right here, maybe, but I don't. Yeah, we'll put this sign. Oh yeah, that goes perfectly right there. See, that goes perfectly right there. Nail from last year, so that's so cute. It's like the perfect addition. It says so, because I want my room theme to be like half fall and half like Halloween. So it's like the perfect like 50-50 mix. Wow, it looks so orange. Oh my god. That's how that looks so far. Candy salad with that. So yeah, so we got my little like spooky sign. Now, here's the thing. So y'all know I love these. I hope Target bring these back for like this month. But I bought these last year from like Target, bestie. And when I tell you I love these now, for these to be only like $5, I think. I bought these last year, so let me check. Then these like $5, bestie. And the real besties know, like, look, the light turns on. So we're gonna put this right there, and since it's half pink and half Halloween, that's gonna stay there. This is for my cars. I'm gonna like move that and put there. I love like this little like theme. I don't know where I'm gonna put my fall. I think I'm gonna put like, I think what I'm gonna do is I don't know where I'm gonna put this pumpkin at because it's so cute. I don't know where I want to put this at. I was thinking right there, but it'll be too much space. So maybe right here. Maybe, I don't know. I feel like that goes too big right there. What I'm probably going to do is, I'm probably going to put this. This says like this little poison thing. I'm probably going to put that here. Or should I put this like this? Then I'm going to have this like that, bestie. So like Halloween and then fall right here. So I think that's what I'm gonna do for right here. So here's that, bestie. I think that's so cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put like my little pink pumpkin, and that's why I'm glad. Okay, besties, this thing I'm probably gonna spend way less because like I don't know where I'm gonna put this pumpkin at. So I'm gonna use this pumpkin, bestie, because I bought it for $5 and it's so cute. I don't know where like I want to put it at, bestie. I really don't know, bestie. I was thinking maybe like over here, but I have my little like essential oils there, and I don't want that space to get like too crowded up. Maybe we'll see how it looks. It's just so big right there. Like it looks so big. I don't know about that. I know for sure I'm gonna put this little one, which I love this now. But it's like Target did like their big one last year. Cause I think this did, or is it on? Oh no, it's not. Oh, it is on. Oopsie. Well, the batteries died for that, bitch. So I'm probably gonna put this here, maybe. I don't know, bestie. Don't know about this. I don't know if I want to have this like maybe right here. I don't know, bestie. I don't know how I want to do this just yet. Like my cause like my diffuser is kind of big, and I'm gonna always have that in here. I don't know where I'm gonna put that. I don't know where I'm gonna have to. If I had a small table thing, I would probably put that there, but I don't. So we're gonna have to move this out the way. Put this here, maybe. I think it'll be cute like that. I feel like it'll be cute like that. In my opinion, I feel like it is gonna be cute like that. What I gotta do is find a place for this pumpkin, bestie, because this pumpkin is so cute. I would put it here, but I feel like it'll be too big right there, in my opinion, because like my fan is right here. I don't know, bestie. Bestie, like, how y'all feel? I don't know if I should keep the pumpkin here, because I love this pumpkin a lot. And so I don't know where I want to put this at. I could put it here. Bestie, I think I'm gonna put this pumpkin here. It goes like the perfect addition. And bestie, I'm gonna show y'all right quick. I'll probably have to show y'all at nighttime, but this changes color. So we got this, like, my theme is like pink, orange, and white, and like we got like my little pink. So this goes perfect, bestie. So here's the thing right now, bestie. I'm gonna talk to y'all when we have like some more cute stuff, bestie. I don't know if I'm gonna do too much, girl, because like my room ain't that big yet. So all I'm trying to find is maybe like some little like Halloween pictures, girl, and that's all, bestie. And we'll be done with this like fall room like decor, girl. I thought I was gonna buy like way more, girl, but I still had like some stuff from last year. The only new thing I bought is like this blanket. Like, I've been like wanting like these blankets since like last year, and they sell like crazy. And this little pillow. And then this side goes together so cute, basically. I have my Halloween candles right here because I cannot wait to look like this, girl. This is like my favorite like Halloween candle, girl, right now. So here's the full thing, bestie. I'm gonna talk to y'all when we are back, bestie. So yeah. So I'm back, girl. So sadly, I checked online. I cannot find no Halloween pictures, girl, that like matches my like picture frame. But at least like most of my room is still fallish, girl. So that's all that matters. As long as like most of it is like still fall. Hopefully for Christmas, like if I like some Christmas pictures, girl, but sadly I couldn't find no fall or like Halloween pictures, girl, sadly, so yeah. But we did go to Walmart. I don't know why it's inside this Dollar Tree set, girl. But anyway, Friday, because today is October October the 7th, girl. It's currently 9 o'clock in the morning. And we got these little like Halloween lights from Walmart for only $3 because y'all saw that I had some lights from last year, but they did not work. So we bought some more for only $4. So we're gonna hang these up. Hopefully they're not too big, but we're gonna hang them up by my bookshelf, and hopefully they're not like too big, because like they had like a bigger size and this was like the smallest size I could find. So here they look. It's giving Halloween. I don't think they're too long, which I'm not mad about, bestie. So let's hang these up, bestie. Bestie, so we're gonna put these lights. I'm glad they're not too big. I was kind of scared that like they was gonna be too big. I don't know. Like recent, girl, on camera, that light barely looked on. Like that light right there, I don't know if y'all can see, like that light right there, it barely looked on for some reason. But here's how it came out, girl. I'm glad they're not like too big. Like for like on camera, I'm gonna show y'all like an example. I took a screenshot, girl. Like for example, on camera the lights do not look on, but like girl, they're on. But this is how it looks, girl. Like I'm so happy on like how it turned out, girl. Like my room was like half fall and it's half like Halloween, girl. I love how this came out, bestie.